Okay. Okay, the dog noise in English is bow wow or woof woof. What is it in Portuguese?
Ow, ow.
What is a cat? In English it's meow.
Meow.
Oh, it's the same?
Yes.
Oh. What is a frog?
Rock.
What?
Ever? Yes.
In English, ribbit, ribbit.
Rubber.
Ribbit.
Yes.
What's a bird?
Okay.
You guys actually whistle. Did you say tweet, tweet?
No. No. No way. Okay.
That's a bird noise.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I don't know, is it?
It's a bird.
I don't know.
Okay. Skip.
Oh, another random question. Why do the people in Portuguese write RS, RS, RS for LOL? Do you understand? Do you understand? Like on pictures on Facebook or something.
Oh, it's like a
Chipmunk.
laugh.
I know. Why is it RS though?
I'm smiling. I'm laughing.
Oh,
It's a laugh. You never know.
I didn't know what it was.
What? You never seen that?
No, I've seen it. I just didn't know why it was RS, RS.
Okay.
What's another animal noise that's different? What noise does a monkey make?
Frog.
Yeah, we already did that one.
Monkey.
What's a monkey?
Yeah, there's not a word for it. Monkey noise.
Well, not
Donkey.
donkey. Donkey noise.
Yes.
What is it?
Yeah, hee haw.
That's what it is in English too.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh no, I'm like looking for differences.
Horse.
I didn't know. That's why.
Oh,
Horse.
horse.
Nay.
Yeah, neigh. I'm not gonna do the noise.
Dude, come on.
I can't do
Dude.
it.
You're the teacher. You do it. Uh-huh.
What else? Is there like another big difference?
Bear.
No.
Snake.
I guess that's about it, really.
One more.
One more.
Yes.
Of what?
Fish.
Okay, what noise does a fish make? Oh my
The water,
I've
yes.
heard it. I've heard it before.
Yes. You did. I'm not totally crazy.
Get out of here.